Hello everyone, welcome back to Grumpy Dog Kitchen. Today I just wanted to do a quick review on the new Tefal Multicook ActiFry. This is listed as a 14-in-1 machine with the main functions being the air fry and slow cooking, but this will also enable you to saute in the same pot, and unlike most slow cookers, or probably all other slow cookers or air fryers, this one also has a paddle at the bottom which can be used to stir your food. We've used that for chips and also risotto, and it's been absolutely wonderful. So just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of what's actually involved with this. As you can see, it's a relatively compact machine and comes with two different levels of shelf or grill. So there's the first one, the second one sits down there. You can't use the lower one when the paddle is running. You can see the paddle there at the bottom. Paddle you can take out, so that's easily removable, and just pop it back in, and you can use it as it's stirring at the bottom and also air frying at the top. So you can basically cut something like pasta at the bottom and be frying something such as chicken on the top. It's a fairly straightforward machine to use. Got the different functions, so the air fry, crispy meal, steam and crisp, grill, roast and bake. There's a bread, a dehydrate function, risotto, pasta, saute, slow cook, steam, yogurt, and a reheat. In the box, the multi-cook comes with a spatula, a ladle, very simple measuring cup, a quick start guide which does have a few recipes in and a few more recipes in the multi-cookbook. And today we are going to try the gnocchi recipe. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, let's put this machine to the test. We're going to try the Tefal baked gnocchi, vegetables and mozzarella. Now for this, it's an air fryer only dish, which does mean if this looks any good to you and you've just got a normal air fryer, you should be able to make this in there no problem at all. We don't need the paddle for this one, so we're just in air fryer only mode, and it says to add all of the ingredients to the bowl. So we're going to add everything that's been chopped. So in there we have the peppers, onion, garlic. I'm going to add the cherry tomatoes. It's also got the salt and pepper, the rosemary and the parmesan, and also just going to add the gnocchi, already made potato gnocchi. And it then says to add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Let's call that 1, and let's call that 2. And then it says to give that a good mix around in the bowl, combine everything well. That is not cutting the mustard. Maybe I should have used the one that came with the machine. Then it says to place the mozzarella on top. So it does call for mozzarella balls. I didn't have mozzarella balls, so just chopped some buffalo mozzarella up instead. Sure, it will taste just as good. Couldn't be much more straightforward. There we go. So that's all our ingredients in, with the mozzarella sitting on top. Shut this down. For this cook we're using the air fry mode without the stir, and we want a time of 15 minutes and a temperature of 200 degrees. There we go, that's all good. So we'll start machine. We'll pop back in a little bit. Okay, well, we're almost done here. I just wanted to show you that one thing I have noticed about the multi-cook is the amount of steam that comes out. Remember, we're in air fry mode. I don't have any other air fryers that produce quite this amount of steam. It was even worse than this when I made the risotto. Having said that, the risotto was amazing, and I've made it twice already. I'll definitely be making that again, but first time round I didn't put the multi-cooker under the hob, the hood from the hob, and it did fill the kitchen full of steam. Alright, let's just have a quick look at how this is done then. Rather nice. Get served up. Well, I've got to say, I'm going to call that a great success. It looks great, it smells great, and more importantly, it tastes really good. Just top that with a little bit of olive oil and Parmesan cheese. Okay, thank you for watching this review.